is this? Was it? Oi. चलो गुड नाइट. गुड नाइट. सो जाओ अभी. बहुत बदमाशी होगी. ओके. गुड नाइट बोझो. ईद मुबारक टू एवरीवन. जहां कहीं भी हो आप लोग, ईद मुबारक. टुडे दिल्ली इज रेनिंग. दिल्ली में बारिश हो रही है बहुत जबरदस्त. और आज है 1 अगस्त, ईद. और कुछ ही दिनों में ऑफ कोर्स मेरा बर्थडे भी आ रहा है. उसके पहले मम्मी का भी बर्थडे आ रहा है. तो मम्मी का बर्थडे आ रहा है 9 अगस्त. मेरा आ रहा है 11 अगस्त. और जब अगस्त का महीना आता है तो बहुत ही अमेजिंग फील करता हूं मैं, बिकॉज भाई बर्थडे मंथ है. एक तो लियोस का महीना है ये. वेल आई होप एवरीवन इज डूइंग गुड. आप लोग खूब मजे से ईद मनाइए अपने लव्ड वंस के साथ. हिंदुस्तान में आप कहीं पर भी हो, जहां पर भी आप लोग ईद मना रहे हो, मेरे और मेरे फैमिली की तरफ से बहुत सारा प्यार आप लोगों के लिए. हम तो फिलहाल एंजॉय कर रहे हैं ये बारिश को और घर की तरफ जा रहे हैं वापस. मिलते हैं बहुत जल्दी. जब मौसम अच्छा हो तो स्माइल आ ही जाता है अपने आप. दिल्ली हैज़ बिन रेनिंग टुडे सिंस मॉर्निंग. और अच्छा लगता है यार, क्योंकि इतनी गर्मी थी. इट्स बिन सो ह्यूमिड इन दिल्ली, सो ह्यूमिड कि पसीने तो ऐसे ही आ जाते थे. वेल, टू ऑल द सुशांत फैंस आउट देयर, थिंग्स आर स्पीडिंग अप. काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें निकल रही हैं बाहर धीरे धीरे, और निकलनी भी चाहिए, बिकॉज वी हैव लॉस्ट a very talented actor, a very down to earth, humble human being. और जाहिर सी बात है कि सिर्फ फैंस ही नहीं, पर उनके जितने भी वेल विशर्स हैं जो दिल से चाहते हैं कि यार ये केस जो है सॉल्व हो. काफ़ी कुछ आप लोग देख रहे हो न्यूज़ में. आई एम श्योर डेफिनेटली अर्नब फ्रॉम रिपब्लिक टीवी इज़ डूइंग अ वेरी गुड जॉब व्हेन इट कम्स टू टेकिंग इंटरव्यूज़ and trying to dig into the case the best way that he knows. And he's obviously very good in taking out things from people. Or you know, surprisingly so many things are coming up one by one. Ultimately we all want that the case should go into CBI, because I think that will give us a lot of confidence to knowing the truth. I firmly believe when there is a high profile case like this, two things matter the most. One, money plays a very, very big role. Number two is contacts. I don't know why the money part was not investigated before. वो पहले ही करना चाहिए था. But देर आए दुरुस्त आए. They went to the bank and they have taken out all the records. उससे बहुत कुछ पता चल जाता है about the transactions. Money is very, very important when it comes to all these negative things that we're seeing in the news, and especially when there is a high profile case like Sushant. Secondly, phone records, very important. The government has all the power legally to take out all the records, चाहे वो सुशांत का WhatsApp records हो, Instagram messages ho, Facebook messages ho, they can easily take it out and find out who Sushant was in touch, particularly in the last 6 months before his death. I'm sure there are a lot of things in social media that people delete, but that's never deleted. It's only deleted from your phone. It's always stored in the master computer, which we all know. So everything can be taken out legally, and especially for a case like this, it demands that. And so I'm very happy that things are moving ahead. And I really hope that Sushant and Sushant's fans, his family, his loved ones, get what they deserve, and that is the truth, to find out what really happened on the 14th of June. You know, I've been very closely following Sushant's case last few weeks, and there has been a lot of loopholes. और मुझे लगता है in the coming months or weeks, a lot of things will come out. You cannot hide. So truly hoping, guys, कि फटाफट ये case solved हो. We get to know the truth. Because obviously everybody out there, including you and me, don't believe that he has taken his own life. I have always maintained this from day one, that I don't think and I can never believe that he can take his own life. Now, it's one thing is very clear, that there was, for Sushant, there was a lot of work. People were talking that he was not getting movies. That was wrong. He was getting a lot of work. Money point of view, yes, there has been a lot of money which has been taken out from his accounts. Where did it go? I'm talking about the big chunk of money, you know, not the smaller ones. It will come out and we will come to know the truth. Like I said, in a high profile case like this, or any case for that matter, money plays a very, very big role. Find out who Sushant was in touch with 10 days before his death, 1 month before his death. Everything is on the record. There's nothing that we cannot know in today's day and age. Fingers crossed. A lot of people out there have been sending me DMs to talk about Rhea Chakraborty and to say bad things about her. Look, guys, I'm not here to criticize anyone. Or just because Rhea is in news for all the negative reasons, that I will shame her from my side as well. Let the law take its own course. I'm sure we will find out what is true and what is not true. As Rhea is concerned, I don't know her personally, so I will not comment on her. But like I said, now the case is in the court. Let the honorable judge decide what the truth is. We will know what the truth is very, very soon. With that said, guys, thank you for watching this vlog today. Enjoy your Eid. My love to all your family members, whosoever is celebrating Eid today. God bless you all. And आप लोग अपना ध्यान रखिए. Take good care of yourself. बहुत जल्दी मिलते हैं एक नया vlog के साथ. This is Rajiv Sen. Thank you for watching me. And I'll see you soon. As always, छोटी सी तो जिंदगी है यार. खुश रहो.